Dumelang, ke nna Letiya Ngozo, motswadi wa ngwana a hlahile monana e leng Ntando Ngozo. Ke lahlehetswe ke ngwana e sala a tsamaya beke fitileng la bone mantsibuya. E ne ntse le motho a tsamayang a kgutla, so now since a tsamaya la bone ha so kgutli. So o ne ile mophatong wa Ntate Mzizi. So Ntate Mzizi ha re mo botsa hore ngwana o kae, o re ngwana o thobile Thaba ka la bohlano a go tla hae lefung. Till today ngwana ha so tholahale. So ne ke kopa le mpatise ngwana a hlahileng mona senepeng. Lebitso la hae ke Ntando Ngozo. Ke a leboha.
So you guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So the mother of Ntando Ngozo, who went missing, who was last seen rather on 19th of December 2025, who went missing after going to sing at an initiation school in Gauteng and never returned home. Reached out to Sis Thembi from Tlozilami to try to figure out what could have possibly happened to her son. You guys, people were saying that Sis Thembi is possibly the only medium that they trust could assist in finding out what transpired with Ntando Ngozo. And you guys, the mystery surrounding Ntando Ngozo's disappearance took a dramatic turn last night on Moja's Love's reality TV show, Tlozilami, of course, hosted by Sis Thembi. According to a statement from the Sebokeng SAPS, police had previously requested public assistance in locating the missing 17-year-old. Ntando was last seen on December 18th, 2025, when he was allegedly en route to an initiation school. Now on Tuesday, the family and the Sebokeng community watched the show, hoping that Sis Thembi would find Ntando or bring him back home. Now, media Gogo, Sis Thembi rather, revealed that Ntando's body is trapped in a river and shared a chilling message from the young man. Now, you guys, she shared a very chilling message from the young man. Of course, she was more like in a trance channeling Ntando, you guys, according to the Val Journal and what we saw on TV. Sis Thembi channeled Ntando's spirit through her body and conveyed that he died following a fight at the initiation school. When we arrived at the mountain, a fight broke out and I got injured. When the people who harmed me realized I wasn't breathing, they took me and dumped me in the river, Sis Thembi said, of course, speaking as Ntando while she was in a trance. Now, Thembi claimed that Ntando blames his paternal family for his body being trapped and wants his paternal grandmother to perform a ritual to release him. The grandmother appeared on the show expressing shock and feeling attacked by Sis Thembi's revelations. I didn't understand what she meant when she asked me what I had done to the child, the grandmother said. She admitted the family may have made a mistake by performing an introduction ceremony for Ntando with the Mofokeng ancestors without paying damages, as Sis Thembi suggested that Ntando is being held by these ancestors. Now, you guys, Ntando is still missing and no one from the initiation school has come forward to explain to the family whether he indeed attended the initiation school. Guys, to understand what actually happened, please do make sure that you do watch the latest episode of Tlozilami on Moja Love. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, of course, to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord continue to bless you all. Bye.